Applet programming in Java. Hello everyone, myself Archana R, Assistant Professor in Department of CS. Welcome to all. I am here to give presentation about Applet programming in Java. These are the contents we used in this topic. Introduction, performance, types of Java programs, difference between application and applet, applet class, applet lifecycle, common methods, and graphics class. Introduction. Applet is a small Java program that can be easily transported over the network from one computer to another computer. It is used in internet applications. It is embedded in an HTML page. The performance of applets: arithmetic operations, display graphics, play sounds, accept user input, create animation, and playing games. There are two types of Java programs. First one is a standalone and second one is a web-based program. Standalone program is a normal Java program. It is run on single machine. To compile the program, Java compiler is must. javac program name .java. For the interpreter, program name .java. Web-based program. In that web-based program, we want to declare import java.awt. For applet, we want to include abstract window toolkit in that import statement. It must be a subclass of applet. To compile applet program, for the Java compiler, normally javac program name .java. For that interpreter, we must include applet viewer. Applet viewer program name .java. Difference between applications and applet. And applications are the standalone programs that can be run independently without having to use a web browser. For that applet program, an applet is a small Java programs that are designed and included in a HTML web page. They require a Java enabled web browser for executions. Java applications have full access to local file systems and network. Applet have no disk and network accesses. Application requires a main method for its execution. Main method is very important. For applet, it does not require a main method for its execution. Applications can run programs from the local systems, but the applet cannot run programs from the local machines. An application programs used to perform some task directly for the user, but an applet programs used to perform small tasks or parts of that applet programs. Applications can access all kind of resources available on the system. Applet can only access the web-specific services, web browsers. Applet class. java.applet. Applet is a superclass of that all applet programs. Applet class has a predefined hierarchy. java.lang.object, java.abstractwindowtoolkit.component, java.abstractwindowtoolkit.container, java.abstractwindowtoolkit.panel, java.applet is a program name .applet. Applet's example programs. We want to import the Java applet in the header file and abstract window toolkit. Public class first applet. First applet is a program name. It extends from that applet. Public void paint. The public void paint method is important to draw strings by using the graphics G. G.drawString. Welcome in applets. That parameters are 10, 50. Here is then output for that small applet programs. Welcome in applets. 10, 50 is an parameters for that strings used in that applet. Next, applet lifecycle. In that applet lifecycle, we want to declare that applet states. There are 4 types of applet states. First one is an bound state, running state, idle and dead state. Bond state. The bond is an initialization state. In its states, when we are using that init state, the applet programs loads that applet. After that, it will be get started. Next state is an running state. The program will run in that running state. If any interrupt occurs, it stops that program and it resumes to that idle states. After it gets recovered, it restarted to that running state. Here the running state, the important method is an paint method. If there is any problem in an idle state, the programs will destroy that program to that dead state. After the dead state, it cannot be generated. Life cycle of applet, the deep explanation of that methods are init state, create the object needed by that applet, set up the initial values, load font and images or set up any colors, called only once during the lifetime of an applet. Start method moves to that page automatically after the initialization state. If that applet is stopped or it goes to that idle state, start method must be called in order to force that applet again into that running state. Stop method. The stop method used to idle the state once it is stopped from that running state. Next one is a destroy method. An applet goes to the dead state when it is destroyed by invoking the destroy method of applet class. It results in complete removal of that applet from that old memory. Next one is a paint. This method is called that each time to draw and redraw the output of an applet. These are the graphics programs. Just we are going to saw about that methods. G.drawRect with that arguments, G.fillRect, G.oval. Okay, now we move to that result. And the next important part is an HTML tag. The HTML tag is important for that applet program. Applet code equal to bubbles class. Bubbles.class is an applet program name. We want to specify that width and height of that applet program. Now we mentioning that 350 for that width and height. The compulsory method was we want to declare that applet closing function. The outputs are human's face. Thank you.